Hello, everyone. My name is April Bogle. I am from Ohm Academy of Healing, and I am here to share a simple way to understand the autonomic nervous system, or ANS, and how it relates to your work with trauma therapy. Think of the ANS as the body's autonomic or automatic control center, managing things like the heartbeat and breathing without us thinking about it. Today, we're going to explore how it responds to stress and how this knowledge can support the work with trauma and keeping us feeling safe and connected. Let's dive in. The autonomic nervous system is like a behind-the-scenes manager that keeps the body running smoothly. It controls automatic functions like breathing, heart rate, and digestion, helping us to feel safe and healthy. The ANS, or autonomic nervous system, has two parts. Number one is the sympathetic nervous system, or the go team. This kicks in when someone needs to act fast, like facing a threat or a challenge. The second one is the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest team. This helps calm the body down or pause when feeling overwhelmed. There's also a special part called the ventral vagal complex. You don't have to remember that word. This part helps people feel safe and connected, like when they're with supportive friends or colleagues. When someone feels threatened, physically or emotionally, the autonomic nervous system responds in 4 key ways to help keep them safe. Here's what that may look like. The first way is fight. This is when someone feels ready to confront a challenge, like standing up to a stressful situation or advocating for themselves. It's powered by the go team, or the sympathetic system, giving energy to push back. The second one is flight. This is the urge to escape danger, like avoiding a touch or tough conversation, or touch sometimes, or leaving a stressful environment. It's also driven by the go team, speeding up the heart rate to move quickly. The third one is freeze. This happens when someone feels stuck or paralyzed. It's not knowing what to say in a heated moment. The rest team, or the parasympathetic system, slows things down to assess the situation. The last one is fawn. This is when someone tries to please others to avoid conflict, like agreeing to keep the peace, even when it's uncomfortable. It's another rest team response, aiming to reduce the tension. These responses can show up when you are triggered by trauma reminders, like feeling unsafe in relationships or overwhelmed by stress. Understanding these autonomic nervous system responses helps you to recognize why we might react in certain ways, like shutting down, freezing, avoiding, flight, or people-pleasing, fawn. Trauma can make someone's autonomic nervous system get stuck in these modes, even when they're feeling safe. For example, you might always feel on edge in fight or flight, or disconnected, freeze and fawn. By knowing this, you can help by noticing your body's signals and guide yourself toward feeling safe again. The ventral vagal complex is key to helping people recover. It activates when people feel safe and connected, like during a supportive therapy session or when spending time with trusted people. Here are simple ways to help engage this part of the autonomic nervous system. Encourage connection. Build trust in your sessions with your therapist, or suggest spending time with supportive people. Promote calming activities. Deep breathing or mindfulness to help rest take over. Support joyful moments. Encourage activities like journaling, art, hobbies that bring a calm and happiness. These strategies help shift the autonomic nervous system from stress responses to a state of safety, supporting trauma recovery. And let's wrap up. The autonomic nervous system is like the body's autopilot, managing stress with fight, flight, freeze, and fawn responses. In trauma therapy, recognizing these helps you to understand the reactions that you may have and a guide toward safety using the ventral vagal complex. By fostering connection and calm, you can help the nervous system feel secure and support healing. Thank you so much for the amazing work you do, and I look forward to healing with you.